How many of us have a smartphone? How many of us have used an emoji keyboard? We have all done it at least once. It's an emoji world, and we are just living in it. This picture of hieroglyphics works as a common code. The symbols work like an alphabet to create sentences and meanings. The problem with trying to interpret the meaning behind these pictures is that they are not always clear. There is a lot of room for misinterpretation. We could be misinterpreting messages for a lot of reasons, such as obscure meanings, especially through text messages where you cannot rely on nonverbal indicators. We advanced our technology and created the alphabet. We can communicate in words what we exactly mean, and there shouldn't be any miscommunications. But what did millennials do? Change our language back to hieroglyphics in a sense, with the use of emojis. Millennials are using emojis in place of the common code we created long ago, the alphabet. Here, we are creating a divide with those who do not use emojis. Those who do not use emojis, or those who do, can still misinterpret a lot. The first one says to me, "Oops, I just ran over your cat." But the rest all say, "Yay, I just ran over your cat." Another example of how miscommunication can occur is when you use emojis but not properly. I personally use this when I'm shy, but the actual reference is "see no evil." This could lead to some problems if everyone is using this emoji differently. This ghost emoji is frequently used to replace the word boo for significant other. Replacing words with emojis is another way that we can miscommunicate. And this emoji right here is the most misinterpreted one. Its ambiguous definition, smirk, could be used to signify many situations and could lead to an awkward interaction if you read it wrong. Emojis are more than just a language now. An entire movie was made and it led in the box offices for weeks. Just goes to show how interested people are in integrating these emojis into our everyday lives. You can even argue that emojis have expanded into a world language. The example above shows how the iPhone emoji was converted into many different platforms such as Android phones, Twitter, Facebook. It's spreading and fast. Now we have personalized emojis. You can design them to look exactly like you. These are Bitmojis. We are transitioning away from single characters to entire personalized images. The Bitmoji empire is expanding to cater to our new way of expression. You can say just about anything with the Bitmoji. Imagine something being so big that the iPhone company reinvents a phone specifically for it. The new iPhone camera was made solely for the purpose of having interactive emojis. Just as we are always adding new words to the dictionary, emoji expands their language by creating new characters. Not so long ago, this was a crazy idea, but as we are integrating emojis into our everyday language, apparel, and media, I can see the need for something like this to replace a regular keyboard. I know we have all seen one of these kiosks. It's amazing to see how something that started off as a language turned into apparel, then furniture, then into movies. And who knows what will happen next with emojis.